If you own a company or you're about to start one for the charitable or not-for-profit purpose, then it is beneficial for you to get it registered. Here in this video, we shall talk about what exactly is a Section 8 company, why you should get registered, also what are the documents required for the registration and what is the process, and how we as Legal Rasta team can help you with it. A Section 8 company is any company that is registered as a non-profit organization. Here, a non-profit organization refers to any company which has its objectives as promotion of science, commerce, arts, education, sports, social welfare or charity, or any of the other objectives with the same nature. Also, a non-profit organization intends to apply all its profits, if there are any, or any other income into the promotion of the same objective. Here, a non-profit organization or a Section 8 company prohibits from paying any dividend to its members. There are various documents that are required in order to get your Section 8 company registered, some of which are copy of the PAN card of the director or the promoter, copy of Aadhaar card or the voter identity card of the director or the promoter, also the electricity or the water or the telephone bill of the business place, and latest passport size photograph of the director or the promoter. Also, if the property is rented, then the copy of rent agreement and the landlord NOC, that is non-objection certificate. In order to get your Section 8 company registered, the first step is that you have to apply for DSC and DIN for the directors. After the first step, then comes the company name. The company name should be unique, otherwise it is likely to be rejected. After that, you can apply for the license for carrying out your charitable objects. After this, then you can go for the obtaining incorporation certificate by filing certain forms. The incorporation certificate will only be approved only after the forms are approved. Also, then you can apply for your PAN and TAN for the company. It takes around 20 days for the incorporation of your Section 8 company. We at Legal Rasta have helped 1,000 of companies to get their Section 8 company registered. If you want to be one of them, all you have to do is go to our website, that is www.legalrasta.com, and select Section 8 company registration. Select your package. You can also go for additional services like ITR and TDS filing. Pay accordingly and leave the rest to us. I hope you liked the video. In case of any queries, you can contact us on 875 000 8585. Bye bye.